If you think you've tasted good egusi before, wait till you try this out. This isn't just egusi, it's a whole experience. Let's dive in. Today we are making rich mouth-watering egusi soup, the one that brings everyone to the table.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. No.
First, we start with our protein. Use any protein of choice. I am using cooked meat and chicken with stockfish. I went in with my pepper and onion. Now seasoning cube for taste. A little water. Cover and allow it to cook till it's tender. Next, we blend our hand-peeled egusi seeds and get them ready to transform our pot into pure magic. To blend this, just add a little water. Don't add too much. You don't want it to be watery. You don't want it to be too watery. Check on your proteins and add water that will be enough for your soup. Cover and allow it to cook. See how it thickens beautifully. That is the secret magic to egusi soup. Creamy, not watery. Now check on your protein, bring it down. You should be done by now. Break it down and add oil to your pot. I went in with my remaining pepper and onion. Please don't fry your pepper and onion much, just put it in. Go in with your egusi. You can decide to leave it open, then you can also decide to cover it. So I covered my pot. Please check on intervals. You don't want your egusi to burn.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. No.
For about 5 minutes to 7 minutes, our oil dried out, but don't worry, to come up later. This water is what I got after receiving my blender.
In the world you'll see, they'll be calling me. They'll be calling me royalty.
soup is ready. Will you be trying this egusi soup recipe out? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much.